Did you believe in Jesus Christ?
I don't believe in Jesus. Jesus Christ is like a saint like me. All Jesus Soludo with the Olum na loketa. Afa mo keta wike to John Paul. No chalum lo yon fama. Abu call me a saint. I get equal na register as one of the Jesus Christ of the time. So Jesus Christ is like a creature. I'm only amundi case we kuna from me. Okay? The same way
I believe na Jesus Christ is God.
But Jesus is not God. Jesus is a servant the way I serve. He does a lot of miracles the time he comes to the world. Oto se be miracle nkem ni dinkem. We be mketa agbala aka be mkpechele ekpereje na mere chuchari aja. Ona ifade na ndi ye na-enye nsogbu akwụsị ọgaba n'iru. O di miracle out ka chusi miracle nke. So
the native doctor that was arrested yesterday, Onyoka, but who practices Nanewi, the Canada, 1 million Afolanya. The society literally died. A new value system came upon us and threatening to overrun the system, overrun all of us, and to become the narrative and their new identity. The narrative, the philosophy, the religion, or whatever thing of wealth, instant magical wealth without work. It's pervasive. We go to some churches, some pastors need also to help us. The promising people, if you take olive oil or if you do if somebody will claim it without work. Without work. We respect there is freedom of religion, freedom of worship. Everybody is entitled to worship the way it is. But we know the difference between this criminal idolatry. We come to the other bit. The Ogi days began to emerge on the social media. They were everywhere. For the Jena Millie and every video about one day, Jena Millie, Jena Millie, they can all work. All of a sudden are used in thousands, hundreds of thousands. No longer have anything. By 8, 9 a.m. you find youths at beer parlors drinking. And these youths were saying, we are going back to our roots. Which roots? Criminal idolatry. That's the roots. That's not the roots. The roots that I know, and which is coming back to your Anambra rebirth. The roots that I know, Eji Malundi Igbo, Eji Malundi Anambra, Bonaka Jaja. And the Bible says, he who does not work, let him not eat. The biggest reputation thing we need to deal with is to confront this evil. We must confront it. We must change the language. We must change the narrative. This less than 1% cannot define us. Unfortunately, they became so loud that our youth thought that this was a new way. This was a new way. And that rebirth starts with getting our people to go back to the fundamental roots where we come from. That has made us who we are and what Anambra is known for. Enterprise and integrity.
I'm on go that's my interview. Then on Soludo ku maka DBML arrest. Alo ya bagi no wa. Akwefu yo na ya bagi no wa. Bagidege. We banye n'ime Soludo we kwe maka ge. Is gone. Ochilo. You don't go. Yotako. Alo obuna ya bagidege mba na chimda warning. This DB Anambra, this is not his first time by email. This is the third time ana olia. Ije chankiz bataluki imewe bragging. Ije nke bonata imewe bragging. This is the third time. Yeah, what the third time ana kunyabi. Alo obuna ya bagidege Soludo we kwe makage. I like the fact obuni iwepu hit rate gay speech Soludo me. Also, man, the pastors that now everybody will be touched. Don't think they are not watching. Do not think they are not watching. Ibibi abiduma barakata onu na-eme. I said it that now I need the lumpucha na nzacha. Yes, Ezekiel, there's a revival that's going to sweep na in Christendom. There is a massive spread of revival. And that revival will not come on this platform, and this revival will come on the altar of spirituality and holiness. Kai mutakene ni kesi ekwu eziokwu. Kai bido konwe kai bugudu ndi na-ekwu eziokwu for once. Enwe video mmele m na-asụ na that na enwe mgbe anyị na ugwu awụsa very small ka ndị mgbe this man wee bịa. I can still remember his name, Apostle Chibuzo David Bafia. Because he nkaje chitalafia because he's my namesake. Very fine man on a coil, isi a coil. Of work I matali the man a melomba. It's just so sad that the man I know Zendo today. According to report, I know how true is it. It's an accident. I will give them Oje submit a prayer request. I keep saying it, also submit a prayer request. I will give them well, I say God should answer this prayer. Show me a sign. I am more on that na envelope in Kiauti and some of the people are planting in the crusade ground. Have this thing I have millimeter onuloko and the powder and 18 millimeter to onuloko. That was how would you ever bottle water to pay yamago, mepe the bottle water. If you know real water can pele mepe. Prayer request the lady. Oh, now we and that basket, now we boom. The team loco. The mother to be a God of Elijah answer and Bandi Gugumazian, God of Elijah answer prayer, God of Elijah answer prayer by fire. Magudu Zeganago, Elijah answered by fire. He will be my Agugidiamba. Or later. Can the mother be a more investigation of one this thing was actually not real? This thing is fake. Soludo should go about those people. There are genuine men of God and there are genuine DBS. He get that thing Soludo. He's coming for those type of people. Those hajuleju hakanko. Onyo bona imwete melia na crusade ya or na ebo na se ole ya obia kowa. Yes, there is this version of God that he answered by fire. Oburo sinka hiya pata ina wumili kambo Elijah na ndoti. No. People should stop that abarakata in the house of God. Soludo jisi ikini hona eme. Oha. I don't know for no kamwana nwoke siwe kuoku maka Jesus. Kaine enene ananya. Kaimale ebo yebi. Yo wuni na moro, don't even speak about it because naturally yoku. Abuna ajogi, do you believe in Jesus? Say no, that you don't believe is simple. Rather than using Jesus to compare you, using your life to compare Jesus. Using your life to compare Jesus. Can I watch Kai for the bear? Nabi Hega. Yakwasi. Kodekwa Numboza. Goodbye.